like to introduce you to an excellent sitting practice for the upper back, shoulders, and neck. So remember, the Qi Gong philosophy when we're working with the body is thinking more about loosening up and opening up. As I always say, especially when we're working with the back, we're working on the opposite of tightening, and the opposite of a tight feel is to loosen. So we're going to loosen up here. So you could work on this set wherever you're at, whether you're at work, whether you're studying. So first thing we're going to do with the back is we're going to loosen up. So we're going to tuck in the tailbone, tuck in the chin, kind of creating like a C curve. Bring in the hands. Inhale, we expand. Exhale, we bring back. Loose, put your awareness in your spine. Feel it undulate, kind of like a snake. So as you come in here, we inhale, feel the spine undulate from the bottom up. Come up through the neck, just loosening up the whole torso. Let's do 3 more. Two more. And relax. So we've loosened up the back. Now let's just do a gentle twist. So we're going to put the hand on the hip. I'm going to be on my left side. You could mirror me if you like. My left hand on my left hip. I'm taking my right hand, put it on the outside of my left knee. I'm going to take an inhale. I'm going to exhale, and I'm just going to push gently with my hand on the outside of my knee. Once again, the Qigong philosophy. Do not push past your comfort zone. Come to your edge, take a gentle step back. Always be comfortable. Working somewhere between our 70 and 80%. Want to go deep enough into the stretch, but not so much we cause any bit of discomfort or pain. Take another breath. And on the next exhale, come back to the middle. We'll change sides. I'm taking now my right hand, putting it on my right hip. Taking my left hand, putting my palm outside of the right knee. Take an inhale. Exhale. Once again, do not overturn. Think about being somewhere between 70 and 80%. And take a couple more breaths here. And return. Let's work with a side stretch now. I'm going to bring up my right arm above my head. And on the next inhale and stretch, and the next exhale, I'm going to lean over to my left side. And at the same time, feel with your left hand like you're going to pick something off the ground. And you inhale and stretch. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Make sure you don't collapse here. Keep that nice and long on the left side. Feel a nice stretch to the whole right side. And inhale, stretch. Exhale, bring it back down. And we'll go the other way. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, come down. So inhale, feel like you're trying to pick something off the ground as you stretch. Exhale, relax. Now we stretch. Exhale, release. Stretch. And next, exhale, come back down. Finish this working with the back. We bring both hands up. We're going to interlace the fingers and index fingers up to the sky, the ceiling. Inhale is act as if someone's pulling your wrists up, and this will kind of as if it's elongating the spine through the crown. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release. Inhale, stretch. And exhale, relax. Come on down. And now let's bring our awareness to the shoulders. We'll start with just some simple shoulder rolls. We start going forward, and then we'll go backwards. So just some simple shoulder rolls. Try to isolate the shoulders. Make sure the shoulders and the ears don't get close. So as the shoulders come up, the head also, the neck elongates. And let's do a couple more. And let's go backwards. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come back down. I'm going to take my right arm. I'm going to bring it across my body. I'm going to take my left hand, put it on the outside of my elbow. And I'm going to gently, using my hand, pulling that right arm towards my left side. The scapula, the shoulder blade should be moving away from the spine. Or just hold here. Just for a few breaths. And release. Taking the left arm. I bring it across. Take my right hand. On an exhale, just gently pulling it. Once again, not overdoing it. Never want to move past your comfort zone. We come to our edge. We take a gentle step back. Always be somewhere between 70 and 80% effort. And hold one more breath. And bring it back. I'm going to take my right arm. I'm going to bring it up where I'm touching the top of my back on the vertebrae. And I come down between the shoulder blades, the scapula, as far, once again, that's 70, 80%. I'm going to take my left hand, put it on top of my elbow, and kind of gently try to walk the fingers down. Once again, I'm not overdoing it, 70 to 80% effort. Just using that hand not to force the fingers to walk the vertebrae lower, just to kind of hold it in place, feel nice, stretch, and release. Now I do the other. I bring it up. I touch with my fingers the vertebrae. I walk it down as far as I comfortably can. Take my hand, kind of gently push down on the elbow so the fingers could walk down a bit further. So they should be somewhere, mine go in between my shoulder blades. Maybe you get it down further. Once again, it's not important how far you go. What's important is we just feel the benefits of the stretch. Take one more breath and release. Now let's move to the neck. We're going to start with 3 neck circles each way. What we're going to do is we're going to use 2 different hand positions. Start with the palms down, put the chin to the chest, and rotate to the right. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come down. Keeping the jaw nice and loose as well. And we'll go the other way. Now turn the palms up. Bring the first finger together with the thumb and go the other way. We'll go the other way again. And just make it nice and loose and a bit of free form now. Feeling what the neck needs. And bring it back to neutral. We're going to take the hands. So you're looking at your palms as if you're reading a book. Take an inhale. On the exhale, you're pushing your palms out. Push my palms to my left. I look over my right shoulder. Feel a nice stretch here. Inhale, come back. Look at the book. Exhale, push away. Look the other side. One more. And let's switch sides. Let's do one more. And bring it back. I'm going to take my right hand. I'm going to bring it on top of my left ear towards the left side of my head. I'm going to gently bring the head. I'm not cranking. Just gently bring my right ear down near my right shoulder. Take my left hand and give myself a neck massage on the left side. Making sure you're not pressing on the spine, the vertebrae. Just keeping it on. Away from the spine. Loosening up the neck. You come up to the throat if you like. We'll go to the other side. Just a gentle guide down. And just a bit of a neck massage. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the hands, all fingers, put them on both sides. I'm going to actually turn around. You put them on both sides of your vertebrae, and as if you're trying to elongate the neck, through the top of the head. Really making sure you're really separating the shoulders from the ears. Really working with that nice elongation of the neck for your posture. And then close up. We're going to take all our fingers, put them on our scalp, and you just kind of give yourself a scalp massage. Just flicking through the head and the skull. Make sure your jaw's loose. And bring the hands down. And just to finish up, we'll float the hands up. And as you bring down, keeping the mind with the hands, just relax layer by layer. All right, so that's a great practice to use anytime you need it. You've been sitting a while and you don't have that ability to get up and do a practice standing or on a yoga mat, and you're starting to feel a little tightness, whether it be in the back or the shoulders or the neck. Utilize that practice anytime, anywhere for a little bit of self-care. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.